Meanwhile, 15 minutes before the top of the hour, let's switch gears. Let's go outside because it's time for the All-American Road Trip, Janet.
Yes, I am live on Fox Square with our expert, Mike Caudill. Now listen, summertime, I'm looking for a vehicle. You need to tell me about all of the cars on the plaza. Go!
Sun's out, guns out, right, Janice?
Yes.
I picked 4 cars for you. One of them, I never want to see you in. But this one, I do want to see you in. This is the Mercedes-Benz. This is the C300
Lovely.
Cabriolet, which means convertible.
Okay.
I want to show you this one specific feature. Starts about $50,000 right here.
Yeah.
There are fans on the back.
Okay.
These keep your neck warm in the winter. So put the top down, cruise in the winter. It's got a 10.25-inch screen on the interior, twin turbocharged 2-liter under the hood. If that's not enough horsepower for you, we've got this. It's the Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. 707 horsepower, 0 to 60 in sub 4 seconds.
Vroom, vroom.
Now the Grand Cherokee starts under $32,000. This one tops out at $99,000. It's meant for the family that wants to go race car driving on the track.
So it goes fast.
Beautiful red leather interior.
I love this one.
This is one of America's favorite SUVs right now that was just launched. It's the Kia Telluride.
It's gorgeous.
Full size, can fit up to 8 people on the inside. We talked about this before this segment. The interior is all about luxury. It'll tow 5,000 pounds behind it. It's packed with technology. I love this vehicle.
Fancy.
Yeah, I wanted to bring something Italian, right? A 4-door sedan. Everyone's talking trucks and SUVs. You got this right here. This is the Alfa Romeo Giulia Ti, and this is a sports sedan. I love the exterior design of this vehicle. Starts under $40,000. It's all about leather, paddle shifters, everything.
This is the one you don't
I don't want to see you in this ever. I don't want to see you in this vehicle ever. This is the Ford Police Interceptor, and this is the utility.
Okay.
And it's all packed with technology. It has a hybrid motor under the hood,
yes,
which will save, each one of these vehicles, you'll save about $3,500 in gas and fuel savings.
Can you do the flashy lights?
I've got flashy lights for you right here.
Oh, yeah.
I've got everything you want. I got sirens. I got lights. I got everything you need.
That's fantastic.
This is great. It's also got one technology I really want to point out. Police officers are going to want to know. It's got perimeter technology.
Right.
So you have to be sitting inside. You hit a button. If somebody is approaching from the rear to pose a threat, the windows and doors will lock. I've tried it 5 times. I can run as fast as I can, and by the time I get here, the windows are closed. The officer's protected. It's got ballistic material on the inside.
I'm just glad no one is here with handcuffs.
That was fast.
Okay, back inside. You're awesome.
I know. There we go. Handcuff me, right? Handcuff me.
All right.
That is a cool vehicle.